Hello everyone, welcome back to Magad Gyan Kendra, and in this video we will discuss about what is a cell, who discovered cell, the cell theory, and the three basic parts of the cell, which are the cell membrane or the plasma membrane, the nucleus, and the cytoplasm. So now for the first topic on what is cell. So cells are the structural and fundamental unit of life, and this is where the life begins. Why are we saying it's structural and fundamental? Because these form the structure of an organism. Just like the bricks form the structure of a building, these cells form the structure of a human body, and they perform fundamental life processes such as inhaling, exhaling, digestion, excretion, etc. And that is why we call them as structural and fundamental unit of life. So on to the next topic on who discovered cells. One day, Robert Hooke was observing a thin slice of cork under a microscope, and he saw tiny compartments and named those cells. But the cells he observed were dead. The first living cells were actually observed by Antoine van Leeuwenhoek. Even though the cells that Robert Hooke observed were dead, he is still credited for their discovery in 1665. Now for the cell theory. Three biologists contributed in the cell theory. The first one being Schleiden, the second one being Schwann, and the third one being Rudolf Virchow. In 1838, Schleiden said that all plants are made of cells. In 1839, Schwann said that all animals are made of cells. And in 1858, Rudolf Virchow extended both of their theories and said that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. And from all three of these statements comes the cell theory. So now for the final part of the video, the cell. So the three basic parts that we discussed in the starting of the video were the cell membrane, the nucleus, and the cytoplasm. First of all, the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. The cell membrane is the outermost covering of the cell, which separates the cell content from the external environment, and it also helps in exchange of materials. Now for the nucleus. Nucleus is the brain of the cell, which controls all the activities of the cell, and it is protected by a double layered membrane called the nuclear membrane. And now last but not the least, the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid content inside the cell membrane which holds all the cell organelles and the cell content together. So thanks for watching. This was all for this video, and subscribe to our channel if you want to keep updated on when we are uploading new videos.